Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Ramanaya. Bhagavan Ramana on birthday celebration. On 24th February 1947, a lady devotee brought her notebook to Bhagavan, in which she had copied out the 5 verses of Ekatma Panchakam. Bhagavan saw in that notebook 2 verses composed by him for the devotees who first started celebrating his birthday, and told those around him the following incident. On one of my birthdays, while I was in Virupaksha cave in 1912, those around me insisted on cooking food and eating it there as a celebration. I tried to dissuade them, but they rebelled, saying, "What harm does it do to Swami if we cook our food and eat it here?" Cooking and eating over, Ishvara Swami requested Bhagavan to provide some verses on the significance of birthday celebration. So, Bhagavan composed 2 verses in Venba meter, which was found in the notebook brought by the lady. Suri Nagamma requested Bhagavan to give her a Telugu translation of those verses, and Bhagavan rendered them in the same Venba meter in Telugu. Note: Venba is a difficult Tamil poetical meter, but Bhagavan used this extensively in his poems. After attempting this meter in Telugu to render the birthday verses, Bhagavan composed Ekatma Panchakam in Venba first in Telugu at the repeated request of Suri Nagamma, and then rendered it in Tamil. Shortly after, Bhagavan wrote them all and prepared an exclusive notebook with a typed out English meaning. They run as follows. Pirandanal Pakkal Venba 1. பிறந்தநாள் ஏதோ பெருவிழாச் செய்வீர், பிறந்தது எவுள் நாம் என்று பேணி, பிறந்து இரத்தல் இன்று என்றும் ஒன்றாய் இலகு பொருளில் பிறந்த அன்றே பிறந்த நாளாம். పుట్టునాడ పాటలు 1. పుట్టునాడిద్దియో పూనుదురే ఉత్సవము, పుట్టమన గెద్దియను బుద్ధికొని, పుట్టుక గిట్టుగలేడై వెలుగు కేవల వస్తువులో, పుట్టినదే పుట్టుదినంబు. Note: Putta Janmasthanamu. Translation. 1. You who intend to celebrate the birthday, first ascertain as to whence you were born. The day that we attain a place in that everlasting life which is beyond the reach of birth and death is our real birthday. 2. பிறந்த நாளேனும் பிறப்புக்கு அழாது, பிறந்த நாள் உற்சவமே பேணல், இறந்த பிணத்திற்கு அலங்கரிக்கும் பெட்பு என்றே தன்னை உணர்ந்து ஒடுங்கத் தானே உணர்வு. 2. పుట్టునాడైనను పుట్టుక గేట్వక, పుట్టునాడు ఉత్సవము పూనుట, గిట్టిన పీనుగున అలంకరించి, పెట్టుటని తన్నెరింగి, ఏననగుటే జ్ఞానము. Translation. Even on these birthdays that occur once a year, we ought to lament that we have got this body and fallen into this world. Instead, we celebrate the event with a feast. To rejoice over it is like decorating a corpse. Wisdom consists in realizing the self and in getting absorbed therein.
పుటునాడిద్దియో పూనెదరే ఉత్సవము పుటమనకెద్దియను బుద్ధి కొని పుటక గిట్టుక లేదై వెలుగు కేవల వస్తువులో పుట్టినదే పుట్టుదినము. పుటునాడైనను పుట్టుకకేడ్వక పుటునాడుత్సవము పూనుట గిట్టిన పీనుగునలంకరించి పెట్టుటని తన్నెరిగియే అణగుటే జ్ఞానము.
ఓం నమో భగవతే శ్రీరమణాయ.